Okay, this video is to help you get started with the grass for goats problem, okay, on your Google Slides if you're absent and if you're not in class. And by the way, if you have any trouble with any of the others, you let me know and I can get you some help with some of the other problems we're doing on the slides. Okay, but this seems to be the one that's most troublesome for people. Okay, grass for goats. A goat is tied to a 13-meter long rope attached to the barn below. Find the area of the grass area the goat can reach. Okay, use correct labels. Okay, I have this one filled out for you. But think about this, okay? Here's the goat. It's tied here, and it can go out 13 meters. Okay, can you tell that that 13 meters is simply the radius, okay, of the circle? Because it can go out 13 meters here, 13 meters here, 13 meters here, 13 meters there. Okay, so that 13 actually is the radius of the circle. Okay, we want to know the area that the goat can graze. And don't be tricked into thinking we're going to need to find the area of this rectangle. Okay, you're so used to seeing two shapes that you need to find the area of. Okay, in this problem, that rectangle doesn't really have much to do with the problem because they're asking us how much grass can the goat reach. Okay, the only thing that rectangle is doing is cutting that circle up. It's cutting part of the circle out. Okay, so it's cutting out 1/4 of the circle. See, the goat can't reach this part of the circle. Okay, so that's the big idea there. But what you can do for this problem, you can find the area of the whole circle, okay, which would be pi times radius squared. We're approximating. Okay, we're not going to do exact on these problems. So you could take 3.14 times 13 squared. Okay, square 13 first. Order of operations, you get 530.66 square meters. Okay, so now once you get the area of the whole circle, you could find the area of 3/4 of that circle. And this is not the only way to do it, okay? This is just the way I'm thinking of it. 3/4 of that area would be 3/4 times that area. Of means times. Okay, so if I'm allowed to use a calculator, which you guys can on these, I would just think of 3/4 as a decimal. Okay, and then take 0.75 of 530.66 or 0.75 times 530.66. Okay, so it's about 398 square meters of that goat can reach. Okay, and for the next one, it's that same idea, but it's a little trickier because there's a whole bunch of different sections. Okay, let's look at this. The goat was attached with an 8-meter rope to the smaller barn below. Okay, this is a smaller barn. Find the area of the grassy region.